Hey there, gearheads! Today we're taking a deep dive into the 2025 Mitsubishi ASX. And let me tell you, this isn't your typical Mitsubishi. The Japanese brand has completely reimagined their compact SUV, and there's a twist. It's now built in Spain through their alliance with Renault. But don't click away just yet, because this might be the most interesting Mitsubishi we've seen in years. Let's start with the looks. The front end rocks their signature dynamic shield design, and it actually works really well here. The side profile is clean and modern, with these chunky wheel arches that give it a proper SUV stance. You can get either 17-inch wheels or these gorgeous 18-inch black diamond-cut alloys that we have on our test car. Around back, you'll find some sleek LED taillights and subtle Mitsubishi badging. It's a sharp-looking ride that'll definitely turn some heads in the school pickup line. Now, let's talk power because Mitsubishi is giving us options, lots of them. The base engine is a 1-liter turbo 3-cylinder with a 6-speed manual. It exists. But the ones you really want to know about are the hybrid options. There's a clever 1.3-liter mild hybrid setup that comes with either a manual or a 7-speed dual-clutch auto. The auto version is the one to get, pumping out a respectable 155 horsepower and 270 newton-meters of torque. Step inside, and this is where things get really interesting. The interior is seriously clever. Check this out. The rear bench actually slides forward by 16 centimeters. That might not sound like much, but it adds a whopping 69 liters to the already decent 442-liter trunk. Perfect for those supermarket runs or weekend camping trips. And speaking of comfort, the heated seats and steering wheel are a nice touch for those chilly morning commutes. But the real party piece? This massive 10.4-inch vertical touchscreen. It's like having a tablet mounted in your dash, and it comes with built-in Google software. You can control pretty much everything through here, and the graphics are crisp and responsive. They've even thrown in a Harman Kardon sound system with 410 watts of power. I've been testing it all week, and trust me, it absolutely slaps. But here's where it gets really interesting. They're also offering a full hybrid version. It combines a 1.6-liter gas engine with 2 electric motors, good for 140 horsepower. After a week of testing, I can tell you it's the sweet spot in the range. The transition between electric and gas power is smooth, and the fuel economy, let's just say my wallet is thanking me. On the road, the ASX feels European, and that's a good thing. The steering is nicely weighted. The ride is comfortable without being floaty, and road noise is well controlled. It's not a hot hatch, but it handles daily driving duties with aplomb. So, what's the verdict? Look, if you're expecting a rally-bred Mitsubishi of old, this isn't it. But that's not necessarily a bad thing. What we have here is a thoroughly modern, practical, and well-equipped compact SUV that's perfect for urban families. The sliding rear bench is genuinely useful, the tech is on point, and the hybrid powertrains make a lot of sense in today's world. The 2025 ASX proves that sometimes the best move is to shake things up. Mitsubishi has taken a risk here, partnering with Renault, and you know what? It's paid off. They've delivered exactly what today's buyers want, a smart, efficient, and practical SUV that doesn't break the bank. But hey, that's just my take. What do you think about Mitsubishi's new direction? Drop a comment below, and don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more car reviews. Until next time, drive safe. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, hit that like button and subscribe for more content just like this. Leave a comment below with your thoughts or questions. I read every single one, And don't forget to click the bell icon to get notified about my next upload. See you in the next video.